And this is the next Airbnb that we'll be in for the rest of our stay. It's an apartment. The first one we were in was like a traditional house. And it's 2 bedrooms. Got closet here. This is the bathroom. And this is one of the rooms, and most importantly, it has AC. Every room has a balcony. This is the balcony, and then that's the second bedroom. It has an entrance to the balcony also. And this school, Carmen Gomez Tejera, I used to go to this school when we lived here in Puerto Rico. I went to the school for 2 years, and then I went to another school for 1 year. We lived here for 3 years. But now it's abandoned, it's closed down. So sad. It's so crazy to now be staying in an Airbnb right in front of it. Like, the circles that life does. We used to live like 5 minutes from here, so I would just walk up over there around the corner, go home, and walk back down to go to school. We are in the Parterre in Aguadilla. This water here comes naturally out from the earth. It's nice and kept up with, which is nice to see. It's nice and painted, it's clean. The grounds look nice. Municipio de Aguadilla, 1920. Parterre, J de Jesús, Esteves. Supposedly this was built in 1851, and it was a natural spring for Spanish soldiers. That's why people believe that Christopher Columbus came in through the Aguadilla beaches, because supposedly they got here, you know, their ships were somewhere over there by the beach, and they found drinking water. So that's kind of like the debate between Aguadilla and Aguada, 2 towns that say that Christopher Columbus came in through their beaches. But Aguadillanos believe it was through here because supposedly they found sweet water, and this is a natural spring right in front of the beach. Doing some shopping in Aguadilla Mall. Fun fact, Puerto Rico doesn't... Okay. A little fact, Puerto Rico doesn't give plastic bags anymore in stores. You have to buy them for like 11 cents, which is good. I mean, that reduces plastic by a lot, but you kind of have to carry around your own bags unless you want to carry everything out. And get a picture printed onto your coffee. How cool. We made a pit stop at La Finca El Girasol. It's a sunflower farm. We saw it off the highway, and we're making a pit stop here on our way to Coamo. It only cost $1 per adult to come in here.
Estoy bien, no tengo de 100, pero tengo los míos, hermano. Aquí estamos todo bien. Me gozo la vida, pa' mí es la ley. Todas las rolas como Purple, sin nada de flex o jugando gays. Me gozo lo mío, gente, estoy safe.
These are really pretty. So you can't cut them, but you can buy them. And they're even nicer. They find the really good ones. Let's find the sunflower seeds. They got palchas. Really big palchas. You want a palcha? What happened?
Ellas se ven cuando ya está la flor sin pétalo, solo el media seca la flor.
So towards the end?
Sí, towards the end. Van a estar las semillas en el mismo centro.
They even have a bacon, egg, and cheese. This is the place we just had a snack at, El Domplin. They were so good, and they have them filled with meat, maduros, batatas. I just had the plain one, and it was good. It had like a little bit of sweetness, and I had to buy another one because it was so good. Los Baños de Coamo. I haven't been here in so long. These are like natural hot springs. The last time we came, this wasn't here, and we just walked down that. There was no cement, it was just raw. So that water there is naturally super hot. That's a nice little pool they made, and over there. But I don't know if this section is still here, where they have just like the mud pits. Supposed to have a lot of like healing properties, kind of like a, you know, like a jacuzzi, how it relaxes you and stuff like that, and you can't stay in there very long because it's so hot. 20-minute limit inside the water. This kind of looks like one of those resorts that are like spas, that they're like to meditate and to renew and stuff like that. But these don't have accommodations. Like this doesn't have a hotel. There's a hotel right nearby that we stood in years ago, but it got destroyed by Hurricane Maria, so it's closed now. That was hot. Whoa. That one is really hot. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I don't know how people get in there with this heat. We're in the Puente de las Flores, but it doesn't have any flowers right now. It's all dried up. And at the end of the bridge, you can buy limpel. This is El Paseo de la Bandera, which is all the flags of the towns of Puerto Rico. This is in Coamo. It's kind of like the umbrellas in San Juan, but the flags. It's by the Plaza, and come take your pictures. La Plaza de Coamo, the church, the little plaza, and over there are the flags. That's the zip line for Don Frappe. Where else do you have a zip line at a smoothie and milkshake place? And a horse in the parking lot. Look at this place is like a fair. They have so many things to do, and it's a Wednesday and it's packed. Look, they even have a real horse there. Wow, look how big it is. There's the menu. So they call frappes milkshakes and smoothies. They just have one word for it. So you have like ice cream based milkshakes and fruit smoothies. And all kinds of flavor. I mean, Bimbo cookies, Hershey's cookies and cream, Serenata, Reese's, Dove, brownie, cake, and then all your classic fruit ones. I think I'm getting the Chico Stick one, but they have Sara Lee pound cake, even Skippy peanut butter, cinnamon roll, guayaba, queso guayaba. tastes just like a chico stick. Fresh ice cream. I'm gonna try the corn ice cream. Nice. This is the little town square of Aguadilla. This is it here. The Catholic church in the background. Just like every other town. They have the little plaza with stores, the church. Later on today at 5, there's going to be a protest here. The people want the governor to resign. That's the Alcaldía where the mayor works. I believe it's called City Hall in English. I'm not too sure. So inside of the Alcaldía they have a little art exhibit of this local artist. He's like an urban artist or a graffiti artist.
Dímelo, es que no sé si porque no lo conozco. Todos son bicis que tienen dañado todito los focos. Poco de lo que ellos hacen me parece muy loco. Usa la lógica como un vicio, se la come poco a poco. Como José, que la vibra no rellene. Que no desee de lo que el éxito tiene. Que no vendía con plata, pero no la de la acera. Tener una esposa que se mueve como Salma, soy Antonio Banderas. Me gozo la vida, papi, es la ley.
Canepas de Ponce en Aguadilla. I'm not into canepas, but supposedly the Ponce ones are the best ones, so let's try it. It's good, it's sweet. But yeah, I'm not into canepas. They dry out your tongue. Had to come here because my brother was obsessed with these donuts. Hola. Con Nutella y Oreo. So these buildings here, according to this, were built by the Navy in, what was it, 1953, and they recorded sounds and things like that to identify submarines, and it was decommissioned in 1976. And they want to restore this to make it like a visitor center. It used to be a lighthouse that was built in 1889, and this had 13 rooms and housed two families, the families that kept up with the lighthouse. 1918 it was gonna be reconstructed, but there was an earthquake and like this huge tsunami wave, and I guess nothing happened after that.
Vacilamos en tu mente, gozándonos la vida es más que suficiente.